English vegetable names for kids. Tomato, tomato. Chili, chili. Potato, potato. Brinjal, brinjal. Capsicum, capsicum. Carrot, carrot. Onion, onion. Corn, corn. Broccoli, broccoli. Cucumber, cucumber. Ginger, ginger. Garlic, garlic. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Peas, peas. Spinach, spinach. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Cabbage, cabbage. Lady's finger, lady's finger. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd. Beetroot, beetroot. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Coriander, coriander. Beans, beans. Snake gourd, snake gourd. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Drumstick, drumstick. Asgard, asgard. Cluster beans, cluster beans. Red amaranthus, red amaranthus. Dolichos, dolichos. Long bean, long beans. Georgier, georgier. Red okra, red okra. Red yard beans, red yard beans. My favorite vegetable cucumber. My favorite curry fry cauliflower fry. Your favorite vegetable comment description, then like, share, comment, subscribe our channel.